Morning, everybody. Welcome back. Before we get going, make sure you've got something to write with and something to write on so you are able to be successful today. Let's rock and roll. Today's focus, we're going to work on dividing a fraction by a whole number. So we've been working on a whole number divided by a fraction, so now we're going to flip it and see what happens there. So if we start with a half divided by 4, if you remember what I said yesterday, look what you have to start. What are you starting with? That's the same thing. That is really key when working on division with fractions. What are you starting with? So, in this case, we're starting with 1/2, right? That's how much we start with. And then we're splitting it into 4 equal pieces. Okay, so we start with 1/2, we split into 4 equal pieces. So I want you to think to yourself, is our quotient going to get smaller or is it going to get bigger if we're splitting it into 4 equal pieces? So if we have a half and divide it by 4, like we've been talking about, split it into 4 equal pieces. I'm going to cut it in half because that's how much I start with. I start with 1/2. And then I'm going to split my half into, let me do this with my cheating lines again. Split my half into fourths, okay? And then, how much is one of those pieces? Well, it'd be 1/8. And then that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay? So let's look at another one together. We have 1/5 divided by 3. So I want you to answer this question. What am I starting with? Right. We're starting with 1/5. And what's happening to it? We're splitting it into 3 groups. Okay? So I'm going to get my lines going. Split this into fifths. Again, not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. And then here's my 1/5, right? I need to split it into 3 equal pieces. Right? Then, how much is this one piece? Well, I have one piece out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Out of 15. Okay? So, let's go ahead and have you guys try some. So, solve both of these, draw your picture, pause your video while you do this, and then when you're ready, come back and join us. Right? So hopefully at this point you've solved both of these equations, right? Because we're not going to get better at this if we don't try it. It's okay if we make mistakes. We just got to keep pushing through, learn from our mistakes, and grow because of it. So 1/4 divided by 6. How much am I starting with? I'm starting out with 1/4. So I need to draw that out. So here's my fourths, right? Here is this 1/4. Now I need to split it into sixths. So here's 1/6 of that fourth, right? So my answer would be 1/24. Right? If we look at the next one, I start with a third. So I'm going to break this into thirds. And then I split it into 3 equal pieces. So I'm going to split this into 3 equal pieces. And then how much is this one piece? Be equal to 1/9. And that's it. So for today's activities, there's a practice sheet to do, and I want you to continue to play around with Dreambox. I've been seeing that a lot of us have been getting on. Please make sure to continue to play around with that, get used to it, get comfortable with it, and let me know how you guys are liking it. Okay, is it cool? Do you like it? What do you like about it? Please remember that office hours, if it's a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, I'm available from 10 to 11, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm available from 1 to 2. Please come if you have any questions. We are getting started with some new learning. So make sure that you are keeping up to date with your assignments. You are asking for help when you need it so that we can continue to grow and continue to ultimate goal be ready for 6th grade. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy.